So we have this slime Mariah made. So let's
Put it right here.
Is it? I'll open it up. This is so. There it is. It's getting a little fluffy.
Use like the fork.
It's getting a little fluffy. So that's that one, and it's really weird. So we have this red one. We dyed it.
Here, now put it away.
Let's put it to the side.
No, like you put the cap back on it and then clean off your area.
Just put the cap. Put that, but Mariah sets all of this up to do a design. She's gonna be doing this. Then we have this red one. It's so weird and it's so thick. But it keeps on your fingers. Full, okay. And it's so thick it sticks on your finger. So I was playing with it earlier and it's really fun to play with. Okay, so it's really squishy. So let's put this away and let's get Mariah to her designing. So let's start. Let's start.
Okay. So let me grab some things.
She's gonna go grab some stuff. That. I've been up. Mariah, are you sure will this work?
Look at it.
Oh, sorry. So she's doing some toothpaste. The mid toothpaste.
Don't shake it. No, not yet.
Not yet, not yet. Then she's gonna sit down. Just go a little. This time we're not in a diet. We're gonna do the moldy how it is. Oh, sorry guys. So flour.
Or cornstarch. Cornstarch works too.
Yeah. So we'll just mix it up. Keep mixing it up. Then it'll become like that. And you keep adding it.
Don't touch it. It's not ready yet. Then you're gonna add more toothpaste.
Then you have to add some toothpaste.
I'm gonna be talking and then you're gonna do yours, okay?
So she's gonna be
just a little bit because you don't want to like ruin your toothpaste unless you like. Okay, that's it.
Let's see
Put
here.
as much toothpaste as you want, but don't put too much.
Yeah. So we just have some paper to cover the mess so we don't get it on my table. But Mariah and Boob are just in and not here for now because they wanted it. Wait.
Don't touch it yet.
Wait, I don't know what I'm
Don't get your
doing.
hands in it.
I don't know. We're gonna perform it here all like this. What? Here like that.
Stop, she's on YouTube.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's hard to focus. Then the paper. Then there's some powder stuff. Some powder. And what? And Cousin Boo Boo right here. Let's back to the museum.
Now just a little bit more.
So
Just a little bit more flour.
okay, I think
That
that.
should be it.
Okay.
Probably thinking, geez, that's a lot of flour, but then nope. How much we need?
Then we will turn like that, the red one. But we're not doing no stuff.
But this one's really soft.
This one is really soft.
Stop, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Jeez.
Because I fell all over my hand. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
How do I end it?